Oriflame's Father's Day special catalog is here to help you steal the sale prices that you'll definitely fall in love with. And why not? With extra 20% BPs on every product in the catalog, but for Novage and Wellness set, it's a great opportunity to seal the sale because we have many products of highest offer for 2021, from Milk and Honey soap to Scrub and Omega. So it's easy to do. Accumulated order of 50 points and grab the Oriflame exclusive Solsidon sunglasses valued 2590 for just 129. Wow. And for 100 points accumulated order in June orders, take away this beautiful stainless steel serving spoon set of 4 valued 2990 for 299. Want both? Yes, you can take it. By just placing 150 points in the June order, take both valued 5580 for just 428 in June's orders. Isn't that awesome and need of the heart? Yes, in fact, share the catalog with others and easily do 200 points because you get 3 products at 70% off, including of one of Novage skincare product, and you get your monthly bonus of 200 rupees extra in the July offers. Please note, when you're taking the Novage product, it should be as per these codes, not as per the catalog product code for taking the 70% off. Yes, 200 points is easy when you go for the Wellness set or even the Hydra set, which is in good offers now. So share catalog with more and recruit even 2 people, help them do 100 and take this Philips blender valued 2995 for just 299. Isn't it awesome to make your smoothies and make your kitchen life easier? It has a chopper and also 1 liter jar, not to miss for. In fact, recommend even 4 people, help them do 100 points and take this beautiful Philips mixer grinder, which has 3 jars and valued for 3490 for just 299. Could you believe it? Yes, it is possible. By promoting this business opportunity for personal use or even for business, everything is possible. Your home is going to have a huge makeover with all these necessities also. Yes, June is going to be a rocking month. 50 points, 100, 150, 200 points, recruitment offer, 20% increase in the points from the catalog to Get Set Go, Dubai conference eligibility beginning, shopping voucher. The first shopping voucher is 12,000 rupees is closing for this month in June. So don't keep this opportunity benefits only for yourself. Share it to more people. Talk to new people, at least 10 people, and grab this opportunity that's closing for this June month, where the speed bonus and the entrepreneur bonus is closing for now for all new joiners. So don't miss this. In fact, focus on a hero set and enjoy a hero lifestyle. Yes, Novage products is hardly 26 rupees per day cost. Isn't that awesome? To postpone your aging and to improve your health, you're hardly spending 70 rupees per day. To improve your health, now improve the protein intake and reduce your weight. WhatsApp us for best healthcare guidance. In fact, well-being set, which also includes the astaxanthin, gives you easy 140 points with 42 points extra. This is my most not to miss set, which is helping me achieve big bonuses, big titles faster. So can you. So WhatsApp us for the best suggestion on wellness guidance. In fact, we have products from the newborn to even adults, 1,000 products to pick up and make a beautiful, healthy, wealthy lifestyle change. Attend our webinars and learn about the products, learn about the business, and make your lifestyle change now with us. The webinars are for free, so why miss? Promote the opportunity to more on Facebook, Instagram. Learn with us, follow up with your team, recruit, and see that you earn more. Many of us, even in this pandemic, are able to empower many more people to have a great lifestyle. So can you. And when June has 20% extra BPs on the catalog, it is easy to achieve new heights. In fact, even for 100 points, if you're aiming, the catalog products could be of 80 points, but you get easy 100 points. So even for 10,000 points for Dubai, it's only 8,333 you need to do, and you get the extra bonus also. And yes, here money comes in monthly incomes also. And in fact, if you are doing 600 points plus in Get Set Go program for this month, which is closing, you get extra bonuses from 500 rupees. So 9% gets 1,000, 12% gets 2,000 extra, 15% is 5,000, 18% is 10,000, and 22% is 15,000, which is apart from your monthly bonuses of more than 40,000. So you can be richer by 50,000 with this Get Set Go program, which is closing for now. So thank you for your time. WhatsApp us for more information, and see you in our next webinar. Till then, like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and stay healthy